Good Wednesday morning to you. I'm meteorologist Kiel filling in for Nick Jansen this morning. Another hot and humid day is in store here across central Illinois. Might be an isolated storm, but for the most part, like the last couple of days, we'll have lots of sunshine and just a few fair weather clouds during the afternoon. As we head into tonight, that's when our chance for storms does increase. Could see a potential for some heavier rainfall as well as some gusty winds, so we'll have to keep an eye on those storms overnight. And the extended does have a few more storm chances, and then a cooler weekend is ahead. So if you're not a fan of this very summer-like weather, you have some relief coming in the form of cooler weather by the weekend. As we take a look at our Skywatch camera network right now, we're looking at downtown Peoria. Just a few cars out there early on this Wednesday morning. And we are nice and quiet. Our camera's holding still, so we don't have much wind to deal with, but it'll get a little bit breezy here as we head a little bit later in the day. As far as the kids heading off to the bus stop, well, once again, they won't need that jacket this morning. Temperatures in the 70s, mostly sunny, hot and humid here this afternoon, 90 degrees once again. By about 3 o'clock, we should have a daytime high right around 91 degrees, so you want to stay hydrated as you get those kids off to the bus stop. Maybe take some water to school today. Our temperatures right now starting off very warm, 76 right now, Bloomington, Normal, Pontiac, Lakin, 77 degrees, 75 right now in Macomb, Galesburg, Canton, and Peoria. Those heat index values, well, they're going to get pretty toasty pretty quickly once the sun rises. By 10 o'clock already, upper 80s to lower 90s. It'll feel like 92 in Lincoln and Pontiac. We head throughout the afternoon. It'll feel more like 95 to 100 degrees. Even a little bit warmer than that. It'll feel like 101 in Lincoln. And once again, tonight, not really much in the way of relief. We'll have those heat index values at 1 o'clock in the morning, right around 80 degrees, so keep those ACs on. Here's a look at a regional view of the satellite and radar. We have a front that's pretty much stationary, but we'll kind of sink southward as a cold front a little bit later tonight as we get Hermine, what's left of that at least, going off the east coast. You can see Hermine right off the east coast. They're still spinning about, but it is quite a bit weaker. Now we're talking about the remnants of Hurricane Newton. That's going to kind of pull into the United States and bring some moisture, and that'll give us a good chance for rain here on Friday. As far as this morning, any rain should stay up to the north, but again, during the day, we can't rule out an isolated storm, especially across our northern towns. But check out by 3 o'clock, maybe just a few clouds, otherwise mostly sunny skies. But it's after about 8 or 9 o'clock that we do track in some showers and thunderstorms. Some of these could be on the strong side with that heavy rain and gusty wind, and we'll continue with that heavy rain threat throughout the night. Could see a ½ inch to an inch. Isolated higher amounts are possible. That should come to an end here on Thursday morning, and then we'll see decreasing clouds throughout the day. As we take a look at the storm track, the 7-day forecast, we will have temperatures in the middle 80s here tomorrow. Again, that rain comes to an end. Still very humid here on Thursday and Friday. Again, Friday, especially later in the day, we do have a good chance for storms. That rain comes to an end by Saturday, but check out the weekend. Lots of sunshine, temperatures in the middle 70s, and that should continue into early next week. Gina?